Yes, dear students, today's our topic is minerals and waters. In 6th standard, second chapters, science, chapters names components of foods. Previous lectures I have discussed about the components of foods. I have told you many parts of foods, components of foods. For example, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins. Already I have discussed in detail. But today's our topic is about the minerals and water. So, proteins, carbohydrates, fats provide the body with carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Protein, carbohydrates, fats we can get for our bodies from the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. But beside of these, several more elements which occurs as a minerals in the food we eat. For example, salt. Means salt is a types of minerals. Understood? Salt is a type of minerals. So, there are different types of minerals. Salt usually we can get from in my foods. And different types of minerals we can get as a calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium, potassium. Different types of minerals. It is the parts of minerals, functions of minerals. So calcium, first we will discuss about the minerals is the extra minerals is required for the human bodies, very less amount, but it enough controlling for growth and development of bodies and healthy bodies. So first function of minerals, calcium. Calcium, phosphorus, calcium and phosphorus both work. What do work these? These do work for strong bones and teeth. Calcium is needed for making bones and teeth. Both are works making bones and teeth. Means calcium and phosphorus, both types of minerals we can get from the different sources, and these functions, these works for our bodies, making bones and teeth. So calcium we can get from the milk, cheese, eggs, fish, green leafy vegetables. Calcium can get from fish, cheese, eggs, leafy vegetables. Vegetables different. And phosphorus also we can calcium having also cereals. But wheat and rice contain a very little calcium. Wheat and rice also contain calcium, but very little calcium. But in these items having a more amount of calcium. So phosphorus we can get from also from the bananas, pulses, mix, bananas, pulses, milk, sources. So these are the sources of the calcium and phosphorus. What is the work of calcium and phosphorus? Calcium and phosphorus both are making bones and teeth in our body. And calcium we can get from the fish, cheese, eggs, leafy vegetables, different things. And phosphorus also can get from the bananas, pulses, milks and different things. Wheat, rice having very less contain calcium. So after calcium, phosphorus, next iodine. What is iodine? Iodine also a type of minerals. So there is a thyroid gland. Thyroid gland which is situated in our neck, human bodies. Thyroid gland situated in the neck of our body, and iodines control the growth of the body. What is the work of iodine? A type of thyroid gland situated in our body. That thyroid gland, iodine control the growth of the bodies. And iodine we can get from the different things also. Means from seafood. This control of the growth of the body. Sources. What is the sources of iodine? Seafood like fish and fruits, vegetables also. Seafoods, seafoods, fruits, vegetables. These are the sources of the iodine. After iodine, next one, iron. Iron is also important minerals of human bodies. What is the work of iron? Iron is needed to make the hemoglobin present in the human body's red blood cells, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the part of our body. What is the work of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin carries the oxygen from lungs to parts of our body. And iron. What is the work of iron? Iron is required for the make hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin present in the blood cells. So, iron functions making hemoglobin. What is its functions? Making hemoglobin. Making hemoglobin. And its sources. Iron sources. What is the sources of iron? Hemoglobins can be taken oxygen from the lungs to our body. And sources of irons are apples, eggs, pulses and fruits, groundnuts. Sources. Apples, pulses, fruits, groundnuts, etc. So these are the minerals which required for the different functions of the bodies. In minerals, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, iron. These are the different minerals and different sources and different functions of our bodies. Okay.